London police acted unlawfully when they used COVID-19 restrictions to prevent a vigil in memory of a dead woman, a court ruled on Friday, in a victory for the event's organisers and the right to protest. The protest vigil was called after Sarah Everard, a 33-year-old London woman, was abducted and aired in March 2021 by an off-duty Metropolitan police officer as she walked home at night. The crime shocked the country, angered many women, and raised questions about a police force that unknowingly harbored her in its ranks. Police officers restrained a man after they were telling people to go home during a march to reflect on the 33-year-old marketing executive, Sarah Everard, in London, Monday, March 15, 2021. The British government is under pressure to do more to protect women and ensure the right to protest as Parliament prepares to debate a sweeping crime bill amid anger over the way police broke up a vigil for a young victim abducted on the streets of London. Police take measures as mourners for the life of 33-year-old Sarah Everard, whose remains were found this week, take part in a demonstration outside New Scotland Yard in London. Police officer Wayne Couzens pleaded guilty to Everard's and was sentenced in September to life in prison with no chance of parole. The group proclaimed these streets attempted to organise a socially distanced vigil on the city's Clapham Common, near where Everard was abducted. But the four main organisers cancelled it after police told them they faced fines of $17,923 each and possible prosecution for violating coronavirus restrictions. A spontaneous vigil went ahead, attended by hundreds of people including Catherine, Duchess of Cambridge, the wife of Prince William, who laid flowers. Police later moved in to disperse participants, arresting some. Images of women scuffling with police and being led away in handcuffs sparked wide criticism. Close contacts may not need to isolate under new system. The of Sarah Everard sparked the vigil. The four vigil organisers took the police to court, arguing the force's decisions before the event breached their human rights to freedom of speech and assembly. Two High Court judges agreed, ruling on Friday that by telling organisers the protest would be unlawful, police interfered with the claimants' rights because each had a chilling effect and made at least some causal contribution to the decision to cancel the vigil. The judges said the police force failed to perform its legal duty to consider whether the claimants might have a reasonable excuse for holding the gathering. Russian strikes hit western Ukraine as offensive widens. People gather and turn on their phone torches in Clapham Common, despite the Reclaim These Streets vigil for Sarah Everard. A woman holds up a placard at the bandstand in Clapham Common, London, after the Reclaim These Streets vigil for Sarah Everard was officially cancelled. Theodora Middleton, a lawyer for the organisers, called the court ruling a victory for women and said it set a powerful precedent for protest rights. The police force said it would consider whether to appeal,